Hi there. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to, you know, use the StreamYard to actually create an event very fast, right? And how you could actually, specifically, this video will base on how to leverage your existing events that you created or that you publish, right? In on LinkedIn. Let's say you have a LinkedIn page, maybe for your company, and you always publish an event there, or you always put an event, right? You could actually leverage that, and you know by streaming to multiple platforms instead of using single platform, right? So it's actually a very simple stuff, very simple step, right? So to create an event on LinkedIn, right, you go to post, and you come here, you click on create an event. After creating an event, you pick a picture, right? A picture of the event. So you picked it. Then if there is a title of the event, you can put it here for SEO purpose, right? You put the title here. So let's say SEO tips for 2023. Sorry, 2024. Just as an example, right? So then you click apply for SEO purpose. Then you come here. So it's an online event. You click on event format. You click live, right? So after then you write the event's name or title. So let's say this is the event title, right? So then you come here, you pick your country time zone. I'm Nigeria, so let me pick West Africa. You pick Central, you will see West Central Africa. You will see something like this is West Central Africa. You select it. Then you come to time. Let's fix. So the time on this flyer is 6 p.m. GMT. Right? You come here. The date is 30th. The time is 6 p.m. You just come here to save time. Just click 6. You come here. You click PM. It will automatically pop it up a pic. So it will bring something like this hard event time. Hard event dates and time. Just uncheck this. So then put your description here, maybe description of the event or something. Just put it here. Just copy and paste it. If it is advisable to have written it somewhere, right? I've written my event description here before. I just copy it and I just paste it here. So you come down here, you select your speaker. Maybe your speaker, our speaker for the on that event is Uche. So this is the guy. You pick it up. Of course, the person must have accepted your friend, right, on LinkedIn. So then I had myself as well, right? You just pick it like this, you select it, right? So you can see I myself and the our guest is added, then you click next. So you just after you clicking next, you just announce just like announcement posts, right? Just write an announcement. Oh, hey guys, I'll be having this also event tomorrow with so and so topic. So do well to join me or turn on your notification bell to right. Then after you do that, then you click on post. So after you click on post, I've already posted this before, so I don't want to post it twice. So but it's that simple. After you click on post, you have something like this. You can see my event has already been published on LinkedIn page, on my LinkedIn page, right? Then after that, you go to your StreamYard account. This is my StreamYard account. You go to my StreamYard account. Then you come here, you click create. You see three stuff here, right? So you just pick live stream. So you must have already connected your all your maybe your company profile, social media page, or if you are using it for personal shake, you must have connected all your pages to It's very easy to do that, right? It's very easy on StreamYard. All you have to do is just come to destination. This is destination, right? You see add destination. So if you want to add your LinkedIn page, anything you want to add, you see it here. Right? Twitter, you can add your Twitter, you can add LinkedIn page and LinkedIn profile. That is, it is usable for. It is also usable for personal profile as the same thing as. So for Facebook, it's an automatic. I mean, immediately you are adding it, it's going to be added. The same thing for LinkedIn. But YouTube is going to take like 24 hour before it's actually added, because you have to go to Facebook to. It's very simple though, to just configure something on your Facebook before you. Then Twitter also is very simple. So you can see I've already connected all my pages, that all the required pages on my link on my StreamYard. So when I click create, you come on live stream, then you have already created an event on LinkedIn. So to save our time, just pick LinkedIn first. So you can see use an existing LinkedIn event, right? So you come here like this, then you click on it. So you can see I've already created two LinkedIn events on my LinkedIn profile, on my company LinkedIn profile. So all I have to do is I have to pick the right event. This is algorithm ranking factor. So just click on it. I've clicked on it, right? Then you use selected events. You click on use selected events. Then after that, you come here to select I want to stream to Facebook also, I mean YouTube also, as well as Facebook. Those are the three channels I want to stream to. So after that, you come here, then you will see customize for each destination, because now we've add multiple destination, right? So you click on customize for each destination. You can see all the destination I've picked, right? So LinkedIn, I don't have business with LinkedIn again. It's already selected. You can see that you cannot even edit it. So just come to YouTube. You put your title there. Your title is already there. That's the leverage of using you of picking or clicking something like use already existing LinkedIn event. You already have the title. You don't have to write the title again. Only the description. I've already copied the description on my page. For that, it's the same description you use on LinkedIn. I've already copied it, then you copy it, then you paste here. Alright, it's very simple. Paste here, then you click on public. It's already on public by default. Then you upload thumbnail. If you don't upload thumbnail, your events will not have an image on YouTube. Right? So you have to select that image again. The same images you use to publish an event on to publish that same event on LinkedIn, right? So I've done with LinkedIn, as you can see. Sorry, I've done with YouTube, as you can see. Then I will come to Facebook. You clear this, then you paste the original caption or event description. You select the image again, the same image. You apply. So you can see all the three pages have been connected, right? You can see that the data has already been picked. So this date, you can see this event is using LinkedIn timing, and it's using LinkedIn the same title I use on LinkedIn, and the same time I picked for that event on LinkedIn. Then you click create live stream. Then you wait for a while. You just wait for a while for your event to got to go live. For your event to go live, just wait for a while, and boom, our event is live. You can see the event has been on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. You can see schedule. So it's scheduled for these dates. So it is created 10 p.m., 10:50 p.m. All right, and it's for schedule for 30th. Right? So let's go and check. Let's go and fact check. Let's go to this YouTube account and let's see. Let me go to YouTube to check if that event has already been published on the page I aim it for. You can see the YouTube of my company. So let me go to channel, go to channel. Okay, view channel. Go to view channel, then you go to live. You go to live and you see that event with upcoming. Can you see? So immediately you are starting the events, it's going to be automatically be like streaming directly on YouTube as well. Let's go to Facebook as well to go and see. Don't forget we have three. We are streaming to three platforms at the same time. Of course, you have to be this is the company account. So let's go. As you can see, it's already publishing on Facebook as well. So it's it's as simple as that. I hope this tutorial helps. If it helps, please click on the notification bell to subscribe to the channel and also give me a thumbs up. Thank you.